Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, your girl Marvelous. Today I want to make 200 bottles of Zobo 35cl. So I have an event that they gave me the contract to make 200 pieces of Zobo, that is 35cl. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to produce it. Okay, so don't forget to like this video before you continue to watch. And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, okay, and on your notification bell. Keep watching. So I have my, this is ginger. I have my ginger. So I have my pineapple. I have my cucumber. I have my watermelon. I also have my dates. Yeah, this date is what I will use to make it very sweet. Yeah, the leaf I'm producing is 2 pints of zobo leaf. So, and I want it to be very sweet. I want it natural. I don't want to use other artificial sweetener. So I'm using dates for it. I'll be using dates for 2 pints of zobo. Okay, so I'm going to start by processing it now. I will peel the fruits, blend it, then I will start cooking the zobo. So I want to blend the ginger first. So I've washed ginger, then I will now blend this to smooth. Yeah, blend it smooth. So I will start washing the fruits before I'll peel it. So I'm done with the fruits. This is the cucumber. I'm done peeling it. And this is watermelon. This is pineapple. And this is my blended ginger. Okay. So this is the cloves that we'll be using, and the cinnamon stick. And this is my dates. I will remove the seed now and also blend it. Okay. So this is the zobo leaf I'll be using. Is 2 pints of zobo, the small leaf. I already picked it. Now I'm going to wash it before I'll put it inside the pot and I will start cooking. So now I'm washing it right now. So after adding all the ingredients, allow it to cook for 35 to 40 minutes. Then you can see how thick it is. The juice is so colorful. Now I have to sieve it out, sieve the leaf out to get the juice. That's what I'm doing presently. I'm sieving it out. So, and this is the outcome. See the juice of this zobo. So now I'm going to add the sweet now, which is dates and the fruits juice, and now pack it. Now you can see how I pack it. The zobo drink is for wedding party, so it's a branded one. The couple on the sticker, I already paste the sticker on the bottles. So our 200 bottles of zobo drink is ready. Now I'm going to pack it 12 in a pack so that it can be well packed and deliver for the event. So if you are still watching, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Now I'm packing it and I'm going to seal it properly. You know, actually I was supposed to use what's it called, heat gun, but I don't have. I'm using my hand dryer. You can see it. See, it's still going to give me the same results that I want. It's just for the hand dryer to eat the nylon and it will now seal it up. You can see that's what I'm doing now. See how I'm doing it, well packed. See, I just need the heat to come the nylon together. I just need the heat to do that for me, and it's done already. It's done already. Thank you for watching, everyone. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much. You guys are the best. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So the pack of zobo is ready to be delivered. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Love you guys.